about trains. Bullet trains. Bullet trains are the fastest and safest trains in the world. They run on electricity, and some even have no wheels at all, instead gliding on powerful magnets. The world record for speed is 374 miles per hour. Cog railway engines. Cog railway engines are made to climb steep mountains and use heavy wheels with teeth that latch onto a special middle rail. The first was built to climb Mount Washington in New Hampshire in 1869 and still runs today. Commuter trains. Commuter trains move millions of people from their homes to their jobs, schools, and other places every day, which can save a great amount of gasoline and keep cars from clogging the roads. Freight trains. Freight trains are the most efficient way to transport heavy goods. The longest freight trains can be 3.4 miles long, weigh 15,000 tons, and need as many as 9 engines to move down the rails. Rotary snowplow trains. Rotary snowplow trains have huge spinning wheel blades in the nose of the train that can chew through 12 feet of snow on the tracks and throw it 100 feet to the side. They are mostly used during heavy blizzards. Steam locomotives. Steam locomotives burn coal, wood, or oil to make steam from water inside a boiler. The steam pushes on pistons connected to the main wheels, which makes them turn. As cleaner and more efficient trains were developed, these trains were mostly phased out by the late 1950s. Switch engines. Switch engines are used in railway yards in order to move and sort cars by type, content, company, or destination. Rail yards have many tracks laid side by side in order to keep out-of-service cars off the main line. Toy trains. Toy trains can be made of wood, plastic, or metal. The earliest versions were made from lead and had no moving parts, and later models ran on electricity. The littlest train is powered only by the imagination.